Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. I'm the creative director of Thydee Fashion, and please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, ensure you do so, and also turn on the notification bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Okay, and please, if you are subscribed already, thank you so much and welcome back. Okay, so in this video today I'll be showing you how to attach a zipper. Okay, this zipper is a stone zipper and is an exposed one, so a lot of people may not really know how to do this. So I'm here to show you how to actually achieve fixing the zipper on the back of your on the back of the dress. So I have a dress that I'm making here, and I want to attach this zipper, so I'll be showing you how to do this. If you're interested, let's get started. For this now, all you need to do is to determine where you want the zipper to stop. This is the back. So for instance, I want mine to stop 9 inches below the waistline. This is my waistline. Can you see? This is my waistline. So from here to here, I'm going to measure 9 inches. So you are the one that will actually determine where you want your zipper to stop. Okay, so mine will be stopping around this point, around here. So, and of course the other side of the back too, the other piece, you need to also mark. Okay, so once you finish marking, then you attach this way. Okay, my zipper allowance here is 1 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to sew from this point where I want my zipper to end to the hemline. Okay, so I'm done joining these two side pieces to the two back pieces together. Can you see? So now this is where my zipper will end. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is to bring the zipper inside. Just put it, insert it like this. Okay, I hope you can see now. So and ensure that this middle here, can you see the middle here? Okay, is the one at this on the seam line. I hope you understand this middle line. Okay, the midpoint of the zip, okay, is what should be facing you and is what should be on the same line here. Okay, don't let it move sideways like this or the other side this way. Let it just be positioned properly at the middle point here, just right on the same line. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is how you do it. And for me, this particular dress, this is where my zipper will start, and because I have about ½ inch allowance here, sewing allowance, so my zipper will start here. So this point now will be sewn inside this way. Okay, so this is the only part that will be showing at the top part here. Okay, so I'm just going to position it that way, considering my sewing allowance, because I want the whole of this to be inside. So it's just this one I want outside. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing. So just like this, because the zipper is actually long and I'm not going to use everything. So just lay it this way and mark where you want the zipper to actually end. Okay, so all you need to do is to start pinning. You will pin. The zipper is supposed to be this way, so all you need to do is just to position it like this, okay, and start pinning. Of course, this hole from here up will be inside, so just position it and ensure that by the time you put this the sewing allowance inside at the top part here, all this is going to be in. Okay, so now I'm going to measure like half an inch from the edge here inward, so that is where I will start pinning my zipper from. Can you see my sewing allowance is 1 inch, so this half inch now will be in, then my zipper can now start here. So that's what I'm going to do now. So you start pinning. So you start pinning till you get to, okay, to the spots that you want it to end. Okay, I'm done pinning. Can you see? I'm done pinning. So once you are done pinning, okay, so all you need to do is just to position it this way, and put this by the side, because you are going to pin this side as well, so you ensure that it is well pinned. Okay, so now when it comes to this point, can you see what I was trying to like explain to you? Okay, so now this middle part, like I said, must be right on the seam line. Okay, so this is, then you continue pinning this way. Okay, continue pinning this way, and you pin as close as possible at this down part, because if you pin as close as possible, then it will, you know, give you an idea of how it will look like. It will give you an idea if it is well, if it will be well positioned by the time you are done sewing it. I hope you understand. So from here now, from the end here upward a little, about 3 inches, pin as close as you can, as close as you want it to look by the time you finish sewing it. So by the time you pin as close as you want, then you will have an idea of how it will look by the time you finish sewing. I hope you understand. So now I'm going to be pinning this side, ensuring that the waistline here match up. Okay, it is also important. So now we are going to flip like this way, okay, so that you'll be able to pin the other side as well. I hope you understand. So I am done pinning what it looks like. So now let me show you the down part. This is the down part. Can you see? The middle of this zipper looks like cream color. Okay, the middle is cream. Can you see that the cream is right on the seam line here? Okay, and this is what I want. Okay, by doing this now, the zipper will be balanced on the back. Okay, all right, so now we can start sewing. This is a zipper foot. This is a zipper foot for an industrial machine. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the normal foot and fixing this one there. Okay, so before I now start joining sewing my zipper to my garments. Okay, so you turn your garments this way to the back. Okay, then you pick this, because I want to sew this side first. So just flip it this way and start sewing from the down. All right, okay. Okay, so this zipper foot now is the right side of the zipper foot. Okay, so there is left side. You can get the left side if that is what will be more convenient for you. Okay, so we can start sewing now. So as you are sewing, you are removing the pins. Okay, as you are sewing, you are removing the pins. Okay, so we are done. Then I'm going to be sewing the other side. Okay, so I'm done joining the other side, and look at what I have. Can you see? And it's not bad at all, and it's laying very, very flat. Very, very flat. Can you see the down part? This is what I was saying. This cream color here is in the middle. Can you see? So, and like that to here. So I don't know if you can see properly how flat it is. Can you see? So you can decide to just cut the excess under. Can you see? It's really laying flat, and this is what we expect to have. And you can see the waistline, it is well aligned. Can you see? Just at the same point, at the same level here. Can you see? Well aligned. So you need to really take your time when you're fixing this kind of zip. Okay, can you see? So this is the excess. You can actually reduce it because the lining will cover it. Okay, so this is all about how to fix a stone zipper. And I think with this little tutorial that you've watched, I'm sure you wouldn't have issues fixing your zipper anymore. Alright, so this is all I have to offer today. Till I see you next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.